Hey friends, welcome back. In this video, I'll walk you through how to set up your UniFi Dream Router from start to finish in a simple and stress-free way. The UniFi Dream Router is an all-in-one device that works as your router, firewall, and network controller, making it perfect for home users and small businesses. To get started, plug the Dream Router into power using the included adapter and wait for it to boot up. You'll see status details appear on the built-in screen. Next, connect an Ethernet cable from your internet modem to the WAN port on the Dream Router. After that, download the UniFi Network app on your phone. Open the app, sign in, or create a UniFi account, and follow the on-screen instructions to discover and adopt the router. Once adopted, the Setup Wizard will guide you through creating your Wi-Fi name and password. From there, you'll gain access to the UniFi dashboard, where you can monitor connected devices, network traffic, and performance in real time. You can also enable advanced features like guest networks, VLANs, traffic prioritization, and built-in security tools such as firewall rules and threat protection. With everything managed from one place, your unified Dream Router becomes a powerful and easy-to-control network hub